Hi guys, looks like I have failed my everyday video challenge. I couldn't post one video a day as I have planned. But you know what? I have realized that the more I post, the more I record videos, the more ideas I get what to say next. My only problem is that I plan too long, I postpone, I struggle with my inner perfectionist. I'm like, oh, I don't have a makeup. Oh, I don't have a nice background. Oh, I need to write a script or something like that. And then today I have realized we are not perfect. I am not perfect. There will never be a perfect moment to do something. It is better than to do something instead of nothing. So the same is about our lessons. Like many years ago, when I was offered a job offer to work as a creative English teacher in a very nice English school back in Crimea, where I had to teach using games, game-based learning. And at that moment, I wasn't ready to do so many things and to plan such rich lessons. And I thought, no, I would stay with the books. I'll just do the simple lessons. It's not for me. So I refused. I rejected that offer. And then few years later, I appeared here in Poland, and step by step, I have learned to do lessons differently. And no, I didn't change them at once, so that from the very first minute until the last minute, I had all those games, all those activities, one after another. No, if you do your work, if you work for yourself, if it's not for private English school where they have all the props and materials, if you work for yourself and you realize, oh my gosh, I need to do so many props and things to teach, then oh, I can't do it. No, just relax. Just you can have half of your lesson done as you usually do, and add one game or something that you are able to prepare, and the rest just do it a little bit different. Use some techniques with some games that don't need preparation, and change a little bit and change your lessons step by step like this. You don't have to, you don't have to expect that everything will have a wow effect and all students will love it and you'll just manage it all perfectly. No, sometimes they don't like it. Sometimes people don't accept new changes. And actually, in my next video, I'm going to share with you that recently I had a request from a parent to stop teaching with games. I'll tell you about it later. But anyway, things can happen. Changes sometimes are not accepted so with such excitement, but slowly, step by step, see what you like, what you can do, don't do what you cannot, and just like that, try what lessons you like the most, and just adjust to the situation. So the same with me. With my YouTube channel, I really want to develop my YouTube channel and I'm trying to record more videos, but sometimes I just postpone and I think I'm waiting for the perfect moment, which never comes. So I will have to stop that challenge, but make it easy for myself. And I don't want to, to make myself record video. I want to record them when I have the thought and I have something to share, like the situation that happened recently. So anyway, I promise you that I'm going to post videos as often as possible during the next 90 days. Maybe it won't be every single day, but maybe it will be every other days or every 2 days, something like this. I will keep it often. I want to do it often because I noticed that looks like I speak better and better each time when I record next videos. And I really like it because I need to learn how to present myself on the videos, not just live when I have lessons. Because I would like to have it somewhere recorded and kept for a long time. And so that's why I created this channel. Plus, it might help someone. So this is what my next decision is. It will be a partial challenge every day, every second day, and make it easy for myself without perfection, and I'll do it as I can do it. I advise the same to you. If you are preparing for your lessons, if you are planning to teach and work for yourself on your own, or if you're working for an English school, probably you have different standards and requirements. But anyway, if you have your own lessons that you can plan by yourself, don't push too much on yourself. Do it step by step, and you'll see it will work better for you this way. Okay, see you in my next video. Pa!